Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 17 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the president of which country? Poland, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Iceland. The correct answer here is option A, Poland. Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the president of Poland. Okay, and the capital of the Poland is Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital, and currency is Polish zloty. Polish zloty is the currency of Poland. Our second question was, Hemang have been appointed as interim CEO of which organization? ICC, BCCI, NTPC, IOCL. The correct answer here is option B, BCCI. Okay, Hemang Amin recently appointed as the interim chief executive officer of BCCI. Abbreviation is Board of Control for Cricket in India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has developed the world's most affordable COVID-19 diagnostic kit, Corosure? IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi has developed the Corosure, a most affordable COVID-19 diagnostic kit, Corosure. Okay, and this kit has been launched by Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Google has decided to buy how much stake in Reliance Jio platform? 7.73%, 8%, 9%, 9.5%. The correct answer here is 7.73%. Recently, Google has decided to buy 7.73% stake in Reliance Jio platform. Okay, the headquarters of the Google is in California, and the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of Sports Adda? Cristiano Ronaldo, Brett Lee, Virat Kohli, Sunil Chetri. The correct answer here is option B, Brett Lee. Former Australian fast bowler and cricket legend Brett Lee is now the brand ambassador of Sports Adda. Okay, he is a Australian fast bowler and very famous cricketer. You can see the image of the Brett Lee here, and he is now the brand ambassador of Sports Adda. Okay. Next question. Poba Reserve Forest will be upgraded to Wildlife Sanctuary. It is in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option C, Assam. The Poba Reserve Forest will be upgraded to Wildlife Sanctuary recently, and it is announced by the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbanand Sonowal. Okay, and it is in Assam. Next question. Which airport has introduced India's first contactless car parking facilities? Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. The correct answer here is option A, Hyderabad. The Hyderabad International Airport has introduced India's first ever fully contactless car parking facilities. Okay, and it is for to the COVID-19 pandemic, a precaution of COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, next question. Marcus Rashford received honorary degree from University of Manchester. He is related to which sports? Cricket, football, tennis, hockey. The correct answer here is option B, football. Okay, the 22-year England football player Marcus Rashford becomes the youngest ever the recipient of an honorary degree from Manchester University. He is only 22 years. Okay. You can see the image of the Marcus Rashford here. Okay, very famous footballer. Next question. Who among the following observed Swachhata Pakhwada? Indian Navy, INCOIS, AIMS, ICMR. The correct answer here is option B, INCOIS. Recently, INCOIS observed Swachhata Pakhwada in Hyderabad. Okay, what is the abbreviation of INCOIS here? Indian National Center for Ocean Information. Abbreviation is Indian National Center for Ocean Information Hyderabad recently observed Swachhata Pakhwada. Okay, it is from 1st July to 15th July. Next question. Chief Minister Pema Khandu released a book on endangered tribe. He is the Chief Minister of which state? Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Assam. The correct answer here is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, Chief Minister Pema Khandu or the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh released a book of the endangered tribe. He is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, and the book is based on the Tangams community. Tangams community, the book is based on, and the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Chief Minister is Pema Khandu, and Governor is B.D. Mishra. Governor is B.D. Mishra. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Indian origin Chen Santokhi elected as president of which country? Suriname, Zimbabwe, Poland, Iceland. The correct answer here is option A, Suriname. Indian origin Chen Santokhi recently re-elected as the president of Suriname. Okay, and the capital of Suriname is Parambo, and the currency is Suriname dollar. Okay, Suriname dollar is the currency of Suriname. Okay, next question. Who approved acquisition by Assisco Company Private Limited in HCG? CCI, FCI, NTPC, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, CCI. The abbreviation is Competition Commission of India recently approved acquisition by Assisco Company Private Limited, SCG. SCG is in news. The abbreviation is Healthcare Global Enterprises Limited. Okay, and who is the chairperson of the CCI? Chairperson of the CCI is Ashok Kumar Gupta. Ashok Kumar Gupta is the chairperson of CCI, Competition Commission of India. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, Vidhu Nair appointed India's next ambassador to which country? And second question is, which state become topped in implementing PM SBA Nidhi schemes? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this.